you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the box by Fashionsta. This is the men's box. Do you want to see what's inside December's men's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the men's box for December just arrived, and when my mailman gave me this, because actually the men's and the women's both arrived today, and the first thing that I did when I picked this up, which is a little bit dry now, is this kind of like caved in. The whole thing kind of caved in. I did take my part off, but this was already opened, and I'm like, this was just soaked. This was so wet. It was so pliable, like the box was not strong anymore. I'm like, what happened? He goes, well, it was raining a lot. I'm like, okay. So I opened it, and I'm like, I'm gonna have to make sure all the products are in here. And then I just moved this, and this was already cut. This was already like that. So I don't know if they opened it. How else would this have gotten cut inside? This was completely cut open. So I'm hoping all the items are in here. I kind of briefly looked in, and I'm like, okay, it looks like there's 5 items. Okay, whatever. So let's go ahead and see what is going on with my December box or my man's December box. So they do give you a card that goes over the different items. This says the box for men, and it says, because you have better things to do, we choose the products for you. The box for men. And then it does say on the lid, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products that you will enjoy and love. So let's go ahead and get in. I can't cut the tape because it's already done for me. But once you remove the squiggling going on, that's what it looks like. So the first thing that I'm pulling out right here, that's an odd looking shaped top, but it says press. Okay, so it just presses down. What are you? First hand, formulated to both hydrate and nourish, this conditioner will leave your hair silky smooth without weighing it down. Okay, so then is this shampoo? Hydrating conditioner, hydrating cleanser. So formulated with activated charcoal along with aloe to strip grease, grime, and dirt while keeping your skin smooth and hydrated. Wait, body cleanser with aloe, activating charcoal, and chamomile. And this is a hydrating conditioner. I'm not sure. So let me just see what this thing says. Hydrating conditioner, and there's no pricing on here. So I have no clue if we even have the value at the end of the month, because, or at the end of this, because none of these have pricing on here whatsoever. All right. So this is formulated for both hydrate and nourishing. This conditioner will leave your hair silky smooth without weighing it down, just like I've already read. And so here is a conditioner, and then here is a body cleanser. Lather into a wet skin. It takes expertise to get this ingredient balanced just right, and the design team nailed it. So a body cleanser and a conditioner. It would have been nice for like a shampoo and a conditioner, and then maybe like a body wash, but body cleanser, body conditioner. All right, then the next thing in here is Menly face scrub. Exfoliate, bro, but seriously, you really should be doing this by now. Our scrub helps you unlock newer, younger, and healthier skin. Squeeze a small amount into your hands and massage into damp face. Rinse with warm water. Use twice a week. So this is not like a daily type of a thing. And again, there's no pricing or anything like that. So there's that item. Okay, so then the fourth item in here is this, and it says Med Skin Chamomile plus Rose Anti-Aging Vitamin B3 Complex Vital B Vitality Moisturizer. And this is like a, yeah, this is a glass bottle or jar. The most ethical way to mend skin is with Mend Skin. Packed with vitamins B3 complex, this formula is guaranteed to improve your complexion and increase facial vitality. Their most popular moisturizer provides up to 72 hours of hydration, even after washing and cleansing. The fast-absorbing, non-greasy formula is infused with chamomile and aloe vera to prevent fine lines and dryness by locking in your skin's natural moisture. Vitamins B3 will instantly improve enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines and wrinkles, dullness, and a weakened surface. So this little guy sounds like it does a whole lot. So there's that. And then the last thing in here is a Botanical Fuse Charcoal Hydrating Detox. It looks like a sheet mask. And I've tried to get him to do sheet masks with me and he doesn't. So let's see what happens with this one. But there is that guy right there. Activated charcoal is the ultimate ingredient, making this formula perfect for a deep detox and powerful hydration. It pulls out toxins and leaves your skin fresh and glowing. You'll be obsessed with the results. Clean the skin, apply the mask, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, remove, rub the serum into the skin to reveal the cleanest glow. So there's that. So that is everything that came in this month's men's box, you guys. So there's a face mask that I don't know if he's going to use, but we'll see. We have this Vital B Vitality Moisturizer for the face. We have a face scrub and then a conditioner with a body cleanser. The only thing I would have liked is a shampoo and a conditioner, but you know, I will give it to him and see what he says. So that is everything. Again, I cannot add up the value because it is not there. It says that it's supposed to be between 80 to 150. We don't know because there's no pricing on here. So this box is $25 when I first signed up with free shipping, but they did say that they were going to increase it to $35. I'm not sure how that makes sense when the women's box was $19 and they're raising it to $25. So now the women's box going forward from January moving forward is going to be $25, where the men's box is now going to be $35. I don't know where the $10 difference is from men versus women, but that is the pricing that they have for their boxes. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of this month's men's box? This is the second one that they have done. I'm going to do one more just to see, and then if he's not interested, then I'm going to cancel. I'm not quite sure, but this is the second one that I am trying out, so I can also show you guys as well. But we'll do one more and then we'll kind of decide and see what we're going to do. So let me know what your thoughts are. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I will see you on the next one. Bye.